some outage. I love how Harley stripped this bolt, so now we have to sit here and endure this bolt that's like 10 foot long.
Thanks, Harley. Go team player.
I'm telling you, this is holding the whole block together. Little do they know, this is the head gasket. Oh my God, how long is this bolt?
Golly.
How long is this bolt?
But she wasn't stripping out.
No, she wouldn't want to strip, but she...
Pull it out of there.
Come on, Itch. There you go, Itch. Yeah, she's certainly glued. She's permanently affixed. Oh, that's